Hello, this is Emmanuel. Here with the project for Movie App Review Week 14. It was a little bit of a challenge due to the getting used to doing more of the other formats, and then now doing this React Create app. It's been a little bit of a challenge to figure out how it all connects, and calling one thing to the other and all that. But managed to pull it through. So here, this is the app, the main app.js, and then I'll just go briefly through it. So here is a breakdown of each section of the code does. This is import required modules and components. So this is really important. This one was one of the hard parts for me to figure out how to do the imports into the main JS app. So then defining the app component, you use a variable or a const, and then you set up the state variables using the use state hook. At least I did it that way. Define a synchronous function, get movie request that makes an API. I used an API because I just simply didn't have time to gather all those images and information. So I believe API was easier for me. I'm not sure in the end. Um, using the effects, using the use effect hook to call the get movie request function whenever the search value states changes. Here's defining a function to save local storage that saves favorites to local storage. So I did that for the ones that you like, and for favorites, and for save local storage for local ones you like. So it saves the ones you like, and I think it's for uh, the ones you go through. Defining the function handle rating change that updates the rating of the movie. I also had to figure out how to put a rating in there. So I used stars to rate the movie, and then I did manage to put in a comment section in the app. The only thing I did fail, one little issue, was because of the timing, was putting in the information, the database, when the movie comes up, the information of the movie. Um, so I did put a search and a delete and scroll. I made it scrollable. So let's go see the CCS code. Here's some of it. And then one of the most complex things was the movie list. Because here I had to, here is where I created the movie list that would um, go with the API. And uh, this is the movie IDM and the flexible container. And also here is where I inserted the review container, which you can put in the comments, and the star containers all linked in this movie link here. Now, because of the timing, let's go see what the app looks like. So this is what the app looks like. Here you can put in whatever movie you want to see. Let's say Star Wars, and it brings them up. Let's see. Hell, Hellraiser. So this add toy favorites. You could also review it up here if you like it. 5 stars, and then you can, or let's put 1 star. So who, no good, and then you submit your review, and it stays up here. You can make them as long as you want your reviews. So say this person wants to give it a 5 star. Good stuff. So then, that's that. Let's see, add this to the favorites. And then when you can go down here and check out your favorites. And here you could also put reviews, and you could also 5 minutes up, so I'll give it one more minute to. So here is reviews, and this is your favorites, and here you can delete, remove from your favorites, and clear it out. And then one more thing that you can do is remove from your favorites. Oh, let's see. It's also pretty. So here's what it looks like in the phone. It's scrollable because my computer scrolls. So here's the use. I'm scrolling with my finger, and then you can remove from favorites. You can add to favorites. Oh yeah, I already added it. So it could use some tweaking, but it got the main things done that were required. Hopefully, you like the work. And this was done in a matter of 2 days because that's the time I had. So 2 days of intense work into it. Maybe it was more than 2 days. It was about 3 days, but um, yeah. So thank you.